really disappearing into the grass. So, Wednesday, July the 27th, 2022, and instead of going to see some Super Cup football today, I'm going to take care of this lot here, and then go to the showgrounds this evening for Corian versus Huddersfield Town 11. And look at what do I think of this? So need to tackle it now before the next band of rain comes in. Gonna get the mower, Luna? Luna, we're gonna go and get the mower. So that's it. Cardinal cut. Level 5 on the mower. It's about as low as it could really go. Grass is still wet in places. Very long. This heat and all this rain is just grows like mad. Can't keep on top of it. But there you go. That's your finished product. Basically they're starting to cool down. Three bags of grass this time. Last time it was only 2. But then we only did a 6 cut. Yeah. Maybe 5 was too much this time, but it's done. Done and looking good, in my opinion. Here we go. Just have to put all the stuff away now. Cup of tea and a biscuit. Feet up for a wee while. And hey ho, here we come, showgrounds.